Good morning, sir. Welcome to APCSM Hotel. I am Jedrick, your bill attendant for today. Allow me to assist with your luggage, sir.
Yes.
I received one luggage, sir. Are there any breakable things inside, sir?
No.
Alright, sir. This way to the front desk. Good morning, sir. Welcome to APCSM Hotel. I'm Jedrick. How may I assist you?
I have a reservation.
Is the reservation, sir, under your name?
Yes, Gumapak.
Alright, sir. May I borrow your valid ID, sir? For a moment, sir, I will just check your reservation. Thank you for patiently waiting, Sir Gumapak. Upon checking, you have a guaranteed reservation for a deluxe room from March 27 until March 31. And you will be staying with us for 5 days and 4 nights. You also made your 50% down payment through MasterCard. Is all details correct, sir?
Yes.
Please have a seat, sir, for a while.
Thank you.
I will now process your registration, sir. Thank you for waiting, sir. Here's your form. Kindly check the information, sir. And please sign it at the bottom part. By the way, sir, do you have a loyalty card or a club membership card?
No.
By the way, sir, would you like to avail our club membership card? It only costs 1,000 pesos. You can have fully access our fitness gym and bar section located at the 3rd floor of the hotel within 1 year.
No.
Alright, sir. By the way, Sir Gumapak, our breakfast buffet is open from 8 a.m. until 10 a.m. Our pool is available from 8 a.m. until 8 p.m. And if you have any special requests or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us or inform us.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Here's your valid ID and your key room. Your room number is 309, located on the 3rd floor. And our bell attendant will assist you to get there.
Thank you. Mr. Doroso, can you kindly assist Mr. Gumapak to his room 309 on the third floor?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. I'm Jedrick, your bill attendant for today. I am here to assist you. Allow me to assist you with your luggage, sir.
Yes.
Now I will lead you to your room, sir.
Thank you.
This way to the elevator, sir. Here's the elevator, sir. Lead to your room. So we are going to your room 309 at the 3rd floor. By the way, sir, please allow me to introduce our hotel facilities. We have 3 different restaurants here. It offers different cuisines. We have French, American, Chinese, and of course Filipino cuisine, which are located on the 4th floor of the hotel. They are open from 6 a.m. until 10 p.m. Our infinity pool is located at the top floor and it's 24 hours available. We also have our fitness gym, which is located on the 3rd floor, next to the spa and salon.
Thank you.
Alright, sir. We are already here on the third floor. After you, sir. We already arrived at your room, sir. Please may allow me to check your room first. May I borrow your key card, sir? Room check. Room check. Room check. Thank you for waiting, sir. As I check your room is ready. You may come in, sir.
Thank you.
Hey, yo. Where would you like me to put your luggage, sir?
Just leave it there.
Alright, sir. By the way, we'll come to your room, sir. Let me introduce your room facilities and amenities that you can enjoy during your stay. You have your smart TV that connected to our Wi-Fi and mini bar for your refreshment. And also you have your private bathroom equipped by a bathtub where you can unwind with a relaxing soak with hot and cold shower, giving you full control over your comfort. And if you want to see the scenic view outside, you have your balcony where you can enjoy the overlooking views of the city. Is there anything else that I can assist with you, sir?
No.
Alright, if you have any concerns, just don't hesitate to dial 0 for front desk and 1 for housekeeping. Enjoy your stay, sir. Have a great day. Bill service. Bill service. Bill service. Bill service. Good morning, sir. I believe today is your check-out day. I am here to assist you with your luggage. May I come in?
Yes, please.
Are you ready to go, sir?
Yes.
Shall we go?
Yes, please.
This way, sir.
Thank you.
We are here now, sir, at the elevator, and we are going to the ground. After you, sir. How was your stay, sir? Did you enjoy your day, sir?
So good.
That's good to hear, sir. How about the food, sir?
So tasty.
It's always a pleasure, sir. We are glad to hear that you enjoy our stay with us. We are now on the ground. This way to the front desk, sir. Good afternoon, sir. I am Deadly. How may I assist you?
I'd like to check out this.
Alright, sir. May I know your name and room number?
Right, I'm CJ Dumapak. My room number is 309.
Alright, sir. May I have your ticket, please? For a moment, sir. I will just check out your account. Good afternoon. This is Jedrick from this cashier. Please check room 309. Thank you.
Good afternoon too, sir. Room 309 has been checked and already account the charges. Thank you.
Alright, thank you. Thank you for waiting, Mr. Gumapa. You already paid for your accommodation, but you had room service charges yesterday. Can you check your bill, please? How would you like to settle your payment, sir? Is it cash or card?
Card.
May I also take your valid ID, sir?
Yes.
Thank you, sir, for waiting. Here's your card together with your valid ID and your receipt. By the way, sir, do you have a car or do you need a taxi?
I have a car.
Alright, sir. Since you already have a car, our bill attendant will assist you with your luggage.
Okay.
It's always a pleasure, sir. Thank you for staying with us, and we hope to see you again. Good afternoon, sir. I am Jedrick, your bill attendant. Allow me to assist with your luggage, sir.
Yes.
This way, sir. After you. Thank you for choosing APCSM Hotel, sir. We are looking forward to your next visit and have a safe trip.
Thank you so much.